Welcome to Mora FC. It is what it is. Look at this beautiful placket. Very simple, easy to do it. Nothing is hidden, nothing is hiding. I'm going to give you the details, the trick and the tips that you really need to making this beautiful placket. You can see how beautiful it is. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and comment, and click on notification bell. I post videos every Sundays and sometimes on Monday if I couldn't able to post it on Sunday. It is what it is. So let's get started. This is my Placket 2 inches by 15 or 16 inches, and I'm gonna use this white as well. This is 3 inches. You can make it 10 inches long or 14 inches long. My facing, you have put facing on your placket. You fold it into two. I need a straight line in the middle. It's gonna serve me as a guide. I'm marking 8 inches or 8.5 inches. You can mark 8 inches or 8.5 inches, but here I'm marking my 8.5 inches. It is what it is. You can decide to fold this one to know the middle of it as well, to help you through. And I'm gonna mark 8.5 again. You put that aside. So this is the fabric that we're going to use, the actual fabric, actual placket, the Placket fabric. This is, so I'm going to fold like 3 inches. That is 2.5, so I'm going to fold 3 inches. You can fold 2.5, it's going to be okay. 2.5 is going to be okay. 2.5 or 3 inches. If you fold it 3 inches, you still have to cut some part off. So 2.5 is okay. So this is the fabric. I'm going to measure the same thing, 8.5 on this one as well. So let's get to the sewing machine. So you got to put it on it like this. Remember, let it face the line, fall on each other perfectly. So you're gonna sew around it from the line. You leave a small space. Then just sew around. From the top to the 8.5 that we made, then you just turn around. You can make that place a V style, or maybe make it a square or whatever style that you want at that part. So you just have to turn around and just go up like that. You can see we have a space inside in the middle. So you have to cut through, cut in the middle. When you reach, you just have to go make a notch at this side, the middle, and the other side as well. 3 notches in the middle at the end. Watch this part. This is how we're gonna do it. Just watch it. You fold it like this. That is how you're supposed to fold it. Then you iron it. Obviously, the way I folded it, that's how you're supposed to fold it. It is what it is. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and comment, and click on notification bell please, so that you don't miss any of my video anytime I post. You can see the way I'm folding it and I'm ironing it. That's how you're supposed to do it. Take your time here, don't rush it up, take your time. and iron it and fold it, go around it. Please do subscribe. The more you subscribe motivates me, pushes me to do more video, more tutorial. It is what it is. Adienaye. Ache sa. Vending. Yeah, that's what I'm speaking to. It's Ghanaian language. So this is how it's gonna be. You can see the outcome. So we're gonna chop this part off. It's too long. We don't need it. So this is how you see the middle. Gonna put this one on it like this. It's gonna depend how wide you want yours to do open. How you want to open. If you want to make it small, it's up to you. If you want to make it wide, it's also up to you. Decide how you want to open it. Then you pin it. Obviously, we're almost done. How beautiful it is. Very, very simple. Let's see. We folded that black into two, so you have to. It will help you to know this side, so that you won't push it to one side. Do you understand? So that we're gonna sew at this top like that. We are not going to sew on the white. At that angle. That's where we're gonna sew in between the white and the fabric. So let me show you. I just sewed it. Have you seen? This is where I sew, not on the white. You just have to fold it like that. For the black, you just have to leave it like that. It's gonna help you to guide it, so it becomes very simple and easy. You can cut that one off, but you're gonna make your work complicated, stretchy. So you just have to use that one as a guide, and just use that one and fold it back like that, and fold. Just like that. It is what it is. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment, and click on notification bell. Like I said, I post videos every Sundays and sometimes on Monday. If I couldn't able to post it on Sundays, just it is what it is. Life, sometimes you may feel some difficulty, some situation. Your laptop, we are dealing with machines and lights out and blah blah blah. So it's not always that one can able to post it on Sunday. So it's important time you click on notification bell so that you miss any of my tutorial. So after that, you just have to iron it, give it a nice present iron, take your time, and you just chop the rest off, the one untied one. Then that's it. So the placket has been formed. It's very, very simple. But how to fix this on your top, you have done, like I said, I have several. I know you are following, so you can fix that. You just have to fold here, like half inch or maybe 1 inch fold. Just like that. Very, very simple and easy. It is what it is. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. It's Mora FC. Tell me what you think. Share your comments. Ask questions. If you don't understand something, feel free and ask. If you have a video like a style that you want me to do some tutorial on it, you just have to follow the email. Just send me through my email, and I'll respond to you. I have my email, morafc1@gmail.com. It is what it is. Thank you. Me out.